major changes across the board that I call exponential growth, right? So there's three distinct forces at play: unlimited memory, unlimited processing power, and then AI. The three of them together are going to have a monumental effect on the way that people practice law, so the practice of law and the business of law. We're already starting to see this change within law firms as well as the courts. So you're seeing judges being able to get access to data like they've never had before. One issue is that it is difficult to become an expert in anything these days. Used to be you have expertise, you have one person to go to for that. Now there's so much data being produced that you have to use these tools to serve up the information to the individual, so it's augmented intelligence, providing an additional layer of information that allows them to get access and understand what they need to make decisions on. It's a critical piece that's coming, and I think it's going to be wonderful for a lot of people. So these types of initiatives that are out there, so groups getting together, having these conversations is critically important. Because it's coming fast. It's coming fast to to the private sector. And you're starting to see it creep into everything else. So the government agencies are literally coming on board. I see Dubai making major changes, US, the UK, clearly Brazil's moving in the same direction. So lots of things are happening, and it's important that we all sort of get a better understanding of it as quickly as possible.
And what are the opportunities in this field for a lawyer, for example, or operators of the law?
Yes. So
in general,
lawyers, as they grow, maybe a junior associate to a partner, as things change, they have to sort of understand the broader perspective of what's happening. Traditionally, you would have gone to law school for 3 years and gone through the traditional pieces that they do. Now you're starting to see what amounts to a T-shaped attorney. T-shaped attorney means across the top, they learn several different disciplines. So they know how to interact with vendors. They may know some programming, some project management. Those are all little things that they touch, but then they have a deep expertise, which is that elongated part of the T of whatever they're working on, whatever sorts of practice they want to spend on. So that's the direction I think that all attorneys, no matter who you are, have to sort of embrace this and do as much as you can to understand the landscape of what's changing right now.